One of the most important but often overlooked tools that an entrepreneur should keep in their back pocket is the elevator pitch. The elevator pitch is a brief summary of you or your company and why someone should be interested in you. This introduction should be no longer than 30 to 60 seconds, and you'll want to be able to tailor it to your audience and their interests. Make sure that you include several key pieces of information in your personal elevator pitch. Who are you at a high level? I'm Brianna Hale. I'm the director of the Entrepreneurship Institute at Utah Valley University. What is something unique about yourself that's relevant to the person that you're talking with? I have helped hundreds of people ideate, plan, launch, fund, and grow their own ventures. What are you trying to accomplish? I'm interested in connecting with professionals from the community who want to give back and support emerging entrepreneurs. A call to action. I'd love to learn more about what you are doing and see if there's opportunities where we can collaborate. Can we exchange contact information so that we can follow up and maybe find a time to talk more? Your business elevator pitch is similar, but focused on the value that you're bringing to your customers. Start with an introduction. Hey, I'm Brianna. I'm the founder of Wheelin' and Detailin'. Introduce the problem that you're solving and who has the problem. Over 3 million Americans, mostly senior citizens, rely on wheelchairs and other mobility devices to get around. However, keeping them clean, sanitized, and in top condition can be a challenge for those who have mobility limitations or impairments. Introduce the solution and what makes you unique and better. Wheelin' and Detailin' is a mobile wheelchair detailing service that can make any wheelchair or scooter look brand new. Mention where you're currently selling your product. We partner with senior living facilities, physical therapy offices, and we can even make house calls. Showcase any traction that you have. This past year, we've served over 1,000 clients with a 96% retention rate. We've exceeded our sales goals with consistent growth month over month, and with a call to action. We are looking to expand into surrounding markets, and we're exploring a franchise model to achieve our growth objectives, which will require an $85,000 loan. Are you available next Tuesday for my team to come in and make a formal presentation for consideration for a small business loan? With that in mind, start practicing, draft up some ideas for how your elevator pitch might work, grab a friend, grab a family member, and try it out with them. Now that you have your elevator pitch, you might want to practice it out in some networking. Click here to learn more about how to network like an entrepreneur.